So we said velocity and position are complementary. Okay, complementary properties, right? Now, velocity is directly related to energy. Remember, E is equal to half mv square, which is the kinetic energy. So that means energy and position are also complementary properties. In other words, if you can tell energy accurately, you can't determine the position, and if you can determine the position, you can't tell the energy, or you can't determine the energy of the electron. Now, most of the properties of elements, depend on energies of electrons. Okay, so that means we're more concerned with energies of electron, and position, we really are not concerned with the exact position. We don't need to know the exact position, but we mostly study the properties of electron with definite energies, but we don't need exact position. We're okay with presence of electron in a region, and the presence is most probable in that three-dimensional space. So in other words, we're more interested in energies of electron. We don't care about the exact position as long as we know that electron is found in a certain three-dimensional space. As long as we know the probability of finding the electron in this three-dimensional space is very high, or electron is most probably present in a certain three-dimensional position, that's good enough for us. And this 3D space is referred to as orbital. This 3D space is referred to as orbital. Now, each orbital is specified by three interrelated quantum numbers. Three interrelated quantum numbers. Principal quantum number, angular momentum quantum number, and the third one is magnetic quantum number. So principal quantum number is written as n, represented by n. Angular momentum quantum number is represented by small case l, and magnetic quantum number is represented by m substitute l, or sometimes referred to as m sub l. Now there is also a fourth quantum number which is equally important, known as the spin quantum number, represented as m sub s, and this talks about, or this gives us information about orientation of the spin of electron. And in the next few videos we're going to talk about each of these quantum numbers, and then we will move into electron configuration in elements. I think I spelled the word principle wrong here, so there.